goes up. I don't feel well, I move too slow. She sneezes loud. Oh no, Kitty, what to do? Sound! Friends all gather looking sad. Boo! Kitty feeling really bad. What? Dino runs in with Dr. Bag, wearing coat and little tag. Don't worry, Kitty, I'm here now. We will fix you, I know how.
Kitty, let's check your ears.
He checks her ears, he checks her nose. He looks at paws, he gently goes I see the problem clear. Too much candy, that's the fear. Kitty says, oops, I ate too much. Dino smiles, it happens much. Now drink juice and rest a while. Soon you'll get your happy smile. What? He gives a sticker, shiny star. A brave kitty, you've come so far. He taps her head, says you're okay. Fever, go now, go away. Kitty slowly starts to grin. Dr. Dino, you help me win. She jumps up, feels super fine. Now I feel completely shine. Dino dances, clap, clap, clap. Kitty gives a happy tap. All is good, no more scare. Health is fun when friends care.
Feeling better now?
Kitty is happy, feeling great. Dr. Dino saved her fate. Jump and sing, don't be slow. Healthy life is way to go.
I'm feeling so much better. Let's dance.
Yes, health is a grand victory.
Yay! Hooray for Kitty!
Ding ding bell, school is near. But something spooky appears right here. Mummy, zombie, witch and more. Knock, knock, knock on the classroom door. Step, 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 what a sight. Spooky school, but feels alright. Kitty walks into school today. Books and chairs are ready to play. But suddenly lights go flicker-a-glay. Something moves behind a sticker. Spooky, spooky, who is there? Funny friends are everywhere. Mummy walks in all uptight, but he waves and says good night. Kitty laughs, you look so funny. Mummy shares his lunch and honey. Step, 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 don't be scared. Spooky school is everywhere. Skeleton clicks his bones. Zombie groans in funny tones. They try to write on classroom board, but letters fall and hit the floor. Ding, 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 spooky fun. School with monsters is #1. Witch flies in on broom so fast. Sprinkles glitter all at last. Books start dancing in the air. Kitty claps without a care. Spooky, spooky, what a show. Magic school is fun, you know. Dracula comes with big smile, but he just wants to stay a while. He drinks juice, not scary blood, and joins the fun with everyone. Step, 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 dance and play. Spooky school is fun today. Ding, ding bell, school is fun. Spooky friends for everyone. Mummy, zombie, witch and all. Kitty school is the best of all. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Whoop-hoo! Happy birthday to you. goes running very fast. Kitty laughs, what is that? A splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no! What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise! A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? So he looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops so loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flips. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go bajnola mound. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos, everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me.
Best party ever.
Wow. Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show. Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like bup, bup, bup. Teacher Kitty says, sit, sit, please. Cow goes mew, I eat my cheese. Cow starts chewing desk instead. Books bounce over her head. Whoa, moo, moo, sit, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splashing splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, what, none? Pig says, drumst, this is fun. Oink, 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 slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like a show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, what? Please. Rooster shouts, no, 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 ease. Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh, shh. Oh no. Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, 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 everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let Kitty shout, calm down now. But animals don't know how. Ba, 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 splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. Goat enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says, munch, munch, yummy, test. Kitty sighs, this is a mess. Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty claps, listen all. Farm school is not a mall. She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say right. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts with you. Farm school check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me.
Try this
Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, or then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. 5 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, Pant, no more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a bus,
Riding on a bus,
riding on a bus,
riding on a bus.
riding on a bus.
4 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino, and Dino then said, Pant, stop the spooky ride on the bus.
Riding on a bus,
Riding on a bus,
riding on a bus,
riding on a bus.
riding on a bus.
3 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Mummy witch making lots of fuss. Witch did magic, oops, too fast. Her window flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost then said, no more magic on the bus.
Riding on a bus,
Riding on a bus,
riding on a bus,
riding on a bus.
riding on a bus.
2 spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights. Kitty called the bear, and bear then said, Babe, stop this spooky ride tonight.
Riding on a bus,
Riding on a bus,
riding on a bus,
riding on a bus.
riding on a bus.
One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch, and witch then said, Aunt, fix the bus, fix it fast.
Riding on a bus,
Riding on a bus,
riding on a bus,
riding on a bus.
riding on a bus.
They fixed the bus, riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says, Today, let's all ride in a happy way. Lee, ha!
Riding on a bus,
Riding on a bus,
riding on a bus.
riding on a bus.
I'll add some magic. Oh, this is the best day.
Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. How to conk here and bump it there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus. Go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No. 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack. front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats. Four funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. Three funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash, floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. Two funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy bark and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. One funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Bang! Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show.